Hello, I'm Halo Nimbus, Master Nimbus Chief guy. So I 3D printed this Halo 3 Hayabusa helmet. There's only a short that I made, not a video, but I decided to add a Halo 5 battle rifle. I know it's Halo 3, Halo 5, whatever. And yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. Hope you guys like it, and I think it came out pretty good, so you'll see it in the end. All right. Alright, what up? I have a Halo battle rifle today. I'm going to glue, and it's life size, it's real size, and I'm gonna be recording it off this, so it's gonna be, I guess POV or whatever for the GoPro. And now normally you would solder, or I would solder them together, but since we can't really hide the solders because it's gonna be detailed and outside, I'm gonna just glue them for now, and then I'll figure out how we're gonna cover the seams later. But for now we're just gluing. I have 19 parts, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I took out all the supports already. I kind of assembled it how it should be. So now I'm gonna start gluing with this contact cement. It doesn't heal right away, so I might be cutting here and there. It's not gonna be all one take, but yeah, after that I'll let it dry overnight, and then we'll sand it, and little by little. Okay. All right, so I got a little guide right here. I know they're kind of already glued and it should be easier to put back together, but still it's just easier. (17 and 18) up like that. This goes like that. Yep. All right. So what I'm gonna do here is go over, it's kind of uneven, so I'm gonna go over, just make it flat, and then we'll put some filler to fill the cracks, and yeah, that should be good, I think, after that. Because look, it's a little uneven. Well, not uneven, but they didn't seal flush. So we're just gonna do, I guess we'll just start with the most random. It's gonna be weird. Oh, that works. All right. Okay, so I found that it goes better sideways, or against the grain, I guess, if you want to call it that way, but I'll do it like this. Almost a little bit. It's a little uneven. We got the long barrel. We got that. We got the stripes. Kind of weathered it down. It does kind of look a little brown, but I got the scope, a little drippage right here, but it's fine. Oops, didn't see that. And yeah, as far as the edges, I mean, kind of did okay. Didn't do it too bad, but everything else kind of came out pretty good.